And welcome back. Well, laser hair removal is one of the best inventions ever. It allows you to be out and about in the summer or working out without shaving or revealing those nasty red bumps.
Yeah, new technology is even making it better than ever and permanent in many cases too. Dr. Deborah Mangione is the founder and owner of the Wisconsin Vein Center and MediSpa, and she's here because you always have new procedures, new devices, keeping up with technology.
Top of the line.
To always do that.
But it's exciting because some of these new things, especially we're going to start with laser hair removal, very exciting.
It is. This is the Alma Soprano titanium. And what this now new device has done is combine 3 different wavelengths of laser.
It's a Friday.
In one. And so it will, by just adjusting what the skin tone is, what the color of the hair is, it will adjust which laser is going to be more powerful. But all 3 are being delivered at once. And it's an in-motion technique that's extremely fast.
Interesting.
So you just have to do 1 pass over the area, although they're doing several there.
To show us.
And then you can just go on to the other area. So it's the fastest laser hair removal system there is.
And isn't it like 70% faster in terms of like just the hair removal itself?
Yes.
And then it works for more skin types.
It works for more skin types. You can use it on tan skin as long as you're not actively out in the sun that same day.
How about fake tan skin?
Fake tan you can use it on as well.
Okay.
And it can even work for blonde hair as long as it's not totally white.
White, right?
Just a little bit of pigment and it can work.
And a built-in cooling system, so it's super comfortable.
It's very comfortable. We don't use any local anesthetic topically at all. So it works.
Wow, exciting.
Fantastic.
And it's not like you have to have 12 treatments, because there are some places that'll say, you know, offer you a special deal, but you have to go in a bazillion times.
That's right. There are some places that actually offer you a 2-year membership that you have to go in every month or something. And that winds up being a lot more money and a lot less effective because they're using old technology. So that's why this is so exciting.
Yeah.
How many treatments do you typically need?
Usually 5 to 6, not 6 or more. It's usually now 5 to 6 that you would need, spaced about every 6 weeks.
Awesome. That's fantastic. Okay, this new one also for facials I'm really excited about. Okay, this is AquaFirmX Facial Machine. We kind of teased it before. I got to hear about it.
Well, you know, we have Geneo, we have HydraFacial, 2 of our very favorite things. Well, it's kind of combined into one machine now. So they do the oxygen facial first, which is what we do with a Geneo, where you're using either a pod or a special serum that you infuse that will bring oxygen to the skin, because you're putting carbon dioxide on the surface of the skin with, you know, different mixes. And so that's what you start with. So you have a beautiful flush and lovely appearance to the skin, and it's exfoliated very well. And then they move on to the deep pore cleansing one, which is kind of similar to HydraFacial as far as the suction and the moisture that's used as you're infusing. And then you can infuse products with an ultrasound tip at the very end. So you can either add something that's going to be rejuvenating or something that's hydrating. So you can do all 3 things with one facial.
Wow.
Incredible. Now, is this something where people have the treatment and they notice results fairly soon, and it's...
Your skin will look absolutely beautiful after this facial.
Wow. That would be great, I would think, before a wedding or a special occasion, party, something like that.
And I want that one. The exciting thing about this is because of the ultrasound tip, it's special wavelength of, I guess I'd call it a wavelength of ultrasound, that will infuse a product by a process called sonophoresis. We're using this now, and we're just starting, so we don't know our real results, to help regrow hair that people have lost. Because by using certain peptides that are naturally plant-based peptides and serums, we're able to see really good response with this. So we're just starting on that. We want to see how well it works before we really start to promote it, but it's very exciting technology.
Peptides, I feel like, are all the rage right now. You're hearing more and more about them.
They call this a plant exosome, but it's not really an exosome, but it is a signaling device from the proper peptides and proper chemicals that are chosen to try to encourage hair follicles to grow and to become more robust.
Exciting. I like that. Okay, so that's fun. And then just in general, like for you, because I feel like you're always getting the newest, the latest, and the greatest. How does somebody know when they come in what to do?
Well, again, we have a new website now too.
That's good.
Really, really upgraded, I think, and tells a lot about all our services. Plus, on the website, there is a new tool called the virtual consultation. So people can choose an area of their face or body or a problem that they have and just kind of fill it in on their own online on the
like
on the
that.
website, and it kind of tells them some things that might be useful to help them with that, so they can have an idea of what they might want to ask about when they come in.
One other thing I want to talk about that's new and exciting is this hair restoration.
Yes, the hair restoration is with the AquaFirmX.
Yeah.
So that's what we're hoping with these plant-based products, that we're going to be able to see an improvement in hair growth.
And what's wonderful about it is non-invasive,
Totally
painless.
non-invasive, painless.
Yeah.
No needles involved at all. It's just infusing with our ultrasound tip to get those products to go down deep to the hair follicle.
That's
so
exciting.
People
Yep.
can meet with you for a complimentary consultation as
Right,
well.
for all the aesthetic
Figure out
needs.
exactly what it is. So
Yes.
good to have you here, Doctor.
Thank
We
you
love it
so
when
much.
you're here. To learn more about all their aesthetic services with that complimentary consultation, it can be virtual too if that's more convenient, as Dr. Mangione mentioned. Just visit their new website. It's wimedispa.com. Their gorgeous space, though, is located in Pewaukee. It's so fun to even shop in the lobby, right? For more information, you can also call them. It's 262-746-9088.